Did you know that just 8 minutes of targeted high-activation exercises a day can make your thighs look slimmer, tighter, and dramatically more toned, so much so that when you look in the mirror, you'll surprise yourself. And here's the wildest part. You don't need months, not even weeks, just 10 days. Yes, only 10 days of consistent targeted work can literally reshape the look of your legs. I know your mind might still whisper, can this really happen in just 10 days? The answer? Absolutely. 100% yes. Because science proves that repeated, focused activation of leg muscles can create noticeable tightening and reshaping in just 10 to 14 days, especially when done with high-intensity, low-rest movements. And today's workout? It focuses exactly where transformation happens fastest. Your inner thighs, outer thighs, quads, hamstrings, and hipline. Every move you're about to do hits the precise areas where most people struggle with fat and softness. But before we start, remember one thing. This workout isn't meant to feel easy. It will burn. Your legs will shake. And that moment, the burning, the shaking, is the exact moment your body begins to change. Lean into it. Don't pull away from it. That burn is your transformation. All right, let's begin. Sink into a squat position. Press your heels firmly into the floor. Keep your core tight, spine neutral, shoulders relaxed. Just 30 seconds. But these 30 seconds are going to ignite your thighs from the very first moment. Feel the heat building. Feel the burn rising. That burn you're feeling right now, that's your body switching into that fat burning mode. Now, lift onto your toes and pulse. Tiny sharp movements, controlled fast pulses. Your legs should feel the intensity doubling. If you feel the burn growing, good. If you feel your legs shaking, perfect. This is where stored fat begins to break down because your muscles are fighting, engaging, and activating at full power. Now, open your legs wide into a ply stance. Feet turned slightly outward. Give 2 strong pulses with every drop. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Embrace the discomfort. This pain is not a setback. This pain is progress happening in real time. Next, inner thighs, one of the hardest areas to tighten. Hold your position. Now pump quickly. Fast, faster, even faster. These rapid pumps send a direct signal to your inner thigh muscles to wake up and burn through stored fat. Every second you stay here, your legs are becoming stronger, more sculpted and more defined. Hook your toe behind your knee, lower down, open out, straighten, then drop deep again. This movement sculpts your thighs from the inside out, like you're shaping your legs with your own hands. Think of yourself as an artist and your legs as your masterpiece. Hold that leg straight, bring it forward, small circles, clockwise. Now anti-clockwise. These tiny circles are small but unbelievably powerful. This is full muscle activation. Remember, burn equals results. Repeat it in your mind. Drop onto your forearms. Lift your body. Open your legs to the side. This move isolates the inner thighs, hitting the most stubborn fat zone on the legs. Slow, controlled, but powerful movement. Switch to the other side. Leg up, core tight. Fast pumps. Control the movement, don't let the movement control you. Stability equals strength. Strength equals shape. Now hook your foot and come down smoothly onto the mat. Bring your leg forward, toe down, heel up, and create big circles. The first few seconds feel easy, then the burn begins, then the shaking. And right after that, the moment when you want to stop, that's the exact moment your thighs begin to transform. Stay with it. Keep going. You're stronger than your mind thinks. Change direction. Push through. Do not stop. Now come up on your knees. Knees shoulder width apart. Core tight. Drop back and hold. Yes, hold right there. Your body will shake. Let it. Shaking isn't weakness. It's a signal that your muscles are adapting, growing, and tightening. Now tiny pulses, as low as you can, just 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and go deep. Hold and release. You are done. If your legs are burning, congratulations, your body is officially activated and in fat-burning mode. According to Dr. Liana Cross, sports medicine specialist, just 6 to 10 minutes of focused daily leg activation can boost blood circulation by 40 to 45%, accelerating fat breakdown and helping muscles become naturally tight and defined. One of her patients, a 29-year-old woman, did an 8-minute thigh routine for 10 days. By the end of the first week, she reported her thighs felt tighter, smoother, and visibly reshaped. Small routine, massive results. And that can be you. If you're serious about slimmer, toned legs, here's your 10-day challenge. Complete 1 or 2 rounds of this workout every day. Double round equals double burn, equals double results. No breaks, no excuses. Just 10 days. Track your progress. Take pictures on day 1 and day 10. You'll be stunned by what you see. Most people notice a difference by day 4 or 5, and you will too. If you found this workout powerful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Clinical Discovery for more transformational routines.